if you're in a home-based business, you need to show the money, okay? Or if you're in an affiliate deal, you might want to show the money. So we're going to show you the ultimate system, how to build the best capture pages and sales funnels that do just that, show the money and get people right away to want to opt in your forum and join your deal. We make top earners in every deal that you can name because of this. This is an example of one of our pages with the video background, obviously showing a ton of exotic cars, making people want to opt in and say, I got to get in this deal. Here's a couple more for you just to show you a few examples. Then we're going to show you how you can create these. We have a lot of these already done for you. They're ready to go, and you can match them with any deal that there is out there. For example, this guy makes thousands every week online. You get to see his exact system and copy it. Do you want the same results? Very curious capture pages that make people want to opt in and see your deal because they are hungry to make money, and we show the money. I want you to think about this. If you're in a deal and you're using the page that the company gave you, that is the kiss of death when it comes to recruiting. You are using a page, number one, that doesn't have good ad copy on it, and number two, everybody's already seen it over and over. You're not setting yourself apart. There's 7 days in a week. You should be launching pages like this every single day, down solo ads on social media. Not the same page, but you could be posting page after page of different pages that attract those people looking to make money. How easy is it? Well, first of all, we have pages already built for you, like some of the ones you just saw there, or you could create pages very fast using our system. Now, our system has all kinds of templates, and we have what we call a drag and drop builder, so you don't have to know anything technical at all. First thing you would do is pick a background image, and as far as making money goes, we have a ton of things that attract that kind of crowd. So for example here, we have luxury homes. So you can look at some of these big homes, type mansion, individual homes. If you want to talk about wealth like that, you can easily just select a background, one click of your mouse, and it becomes the background of a page. So that's one gallery we have, full of luxury type homes. We also have an entire gallery of money. So you can pick all kinds of backgrounds that show money. People love seeing money, and with one click of the mouse, you can instantly create a background of money. Like we have the missing piece of the puzzle that you need to make money online, and you could write something to it. But there are tons of images for money that we have, an entire gallery, and then we have multiple galleries. If you want to attack wealth like a Rolex watch, for example, we have one click of your mouse and you can do the whole Rolex angle. We also have another gallery which nothing says wealth or lifestyle more than luxury cars, and we have an entire vehicle gallery as well. So if you click over here in the vehicle gallery, as you see, we have tons of high-end exotic cars that you can use, and you can also upload any of your own images as well if you want. So let's just find one of these, for example, that we like, and we'll build a quick page, and I want to show you some other stuff that you can add to it as well. So let's say I like this page right here with the Lamborghini. Okay, if you hide the menu, you'll see the full page there. So then you can just type what you want to type. We have members making thousands per week and getting exotic cars. Now, you could also see this little white box. It's very easy to hit this little picture here, and you can darken up the opacity of it. So you can do that. You can actually change the text, the size of the text, just with a little slider here. You can also change the color of it. You can come into our color box and change colors. It's very easy to do, okay? If you want to change color certain words, that's easy to do as well. You can do that very easily in our system. Now, here's the other cool thing about our system is, let's say you had a video, a little sizzle video in your deal that you wanted people to see. Well, we have this drag and drop editor that allows you to just drag and drop stuff. So you can take a video and just drop it right in, hit edit, and you can use any YouTube or any Vimeo URL. If you don't have one, we also have some generic ones that are really good that you could pop in about business opportunity. So if I wanted a business opportunity, I could click on this and hit select and hit save, and I could pop this movie in. For example, I'll just play a little bit of it.
We are saturated with it, 24/7, 365 days a year. The seemingly endless bad news about our economy and the world we live in.
So it talks about, all these kind of things. Now, if you don't want this video, you can go to YouTube and drag and drop any video you want, or go to Vimeo and drag and drop any video you want. You can make it very, very easy there. So let's just drop another line of text in here. Let's just make a quick page, show you. All you need to do is copy and paste our easy system. And then what I'll do is I will add one more line of text here. Fill in the form for details. Now, we give you the color codes too, so your pages can look very cohesive, and they're very easy to copy. So if I want this the exact same yellow, I could just paste in the code from the above, and it will do that. You can also change the fonts. We have 700 fonts in here, just so you can see some of them. If I go down here and I click on this font, you can see how different that font looks than the other fonts. There's 700 fonts, so every one of them look different. So you can have a lot of fun playing with fonts here inside our system and see which ones you really like. Now, if I want to drag and drop a form here, it's very easy to do. I can just literally drag and drop any form in here, hit edit. Now you can get name, email, and phone, or full address. We recommend you get full name, email, and phone number, and we'll show you why in a second. But then you see this up here, redirect URL. Whatever website you type in this box is, when they fill in this form, that's where they're going. So that's how easy it is. It's not complicated. Whatever you type in this box, when they fill out the form, that's exactly where they're going to go. So you can have them going right to your deal.com, or you can have them go to a landing page you build in our system. Now, here's what we're going to do on this button here. We're going to say, you can change what it says. You can also change the color. So we were doing that other yellow, so we want that. We can change the text color if you want to pop out. Very, very easy to do. And there's a little background shadow there. We'll get rid of that. So what we do is we have a page now. Now, why would you want to get name, email, and phone number? And I'm going to tell you why. Because our system includes a free phone app. The minute someone fills out your capture page, you're going to get a ding on your phone through our phone app, and you're going to see something like this. You're going to see their name, their email, or their phone number, and their email address. But underneath, there's 3 buttons. If you click on the call button, it will open up your call app on your phone, and you can instantly call them. If you click text, you can instantly text them. And if you hit email, your email client like Gmail will show up. Now, as I scroll down, you'll see that we have these little buttons that you can hit too: cold, warm, hot, left message, or a bad lead. And then we have a full note box, a full-blown CRM that you can fill out. So, for example, called and talked briefly. We'll call again next Tuesday. Demeanor or temperature hot. Well, now when you get all your leads, we're going to put your entire business on your cell phone. So all your leads will be on your cell phone, and you could quickly see, oh, cold, hot, left message, just by these little dots if you use these. You'll also see the landing page name they came in off of. So if you're using multiple different landing pages, you'll actually know the landing page that they came in off of, so you know how to work them, because you'll say, oh, they came in off that page. They must be interested in the XYZ offer. And so you get this awesome phone app included. The other thing you could do, I showed you how to drag and drop in a video. You could also drag and drop in multiple pictures too. All you have to do is grab this thing that looks like a camera, and if you wanted to drag a picture in, you can. For example, you can go and search Google. Just make sure that you're getting a non-copyrighted image before you use it. And then we allow you to do 3 sizes. Like this could be a copyrighted image, so we won't use this. I'm just doing it as an example here. But you could choose the actual size as well on how it would look on a page. And then if you get a transparent background like this, it really makes pages look cool because you have the transparent background with the page there. Again, this is probably a copyrighted image. Don't use that one. But use a non-copyrighted image. If you get a transparent one, you could also do things like that on pages that look super cool. Now we got a capture page made. I'm going to show you how to do a lander page, because landing pages are what really converts people to get them to whip out their credit card and join your deal. Let me show you how to do that. Okay, we just go grab another page, and then what we would do again is select the background image right away. And this is how you're going to talk about getting them in your deal. Let's go down to money, since this is what you're going to be talking about, is how they can make money in your deal. So I can choose any of these I want here. Let's say this money tree ain't bad. And I say, watch this webinar. Want a ridiculous lifestyle? Then watch this webinar. Okay, so then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go out to YouTube. Just find any opportunity out there. It could be anything. So let's say you find a webinar you like. All you do is get the YouTube video, and what you can do is you can just drag and drop it in. Now, why this is so much better, I want you to think about this. If someone goes to YouTube and watches this video on YouTube, what they're going to do is they're going to see all the other websites or all the other channels and other videos. There's going to be other opportunities that could distract them, and there could be other leaders in the business that could distract and go join somebody else instead of you. It's very hard to find a sign up button. It's very hard to find a phone number, and it's very silly to send someone basically to YouTube where they could get distracted by everything else. Very hard to see where they sign up. For example, you'll see this guy and he might want to sign up under him instead of you. So by doing this, they're just dedicated to watching it on your page. Now, what if you want to add more than one video? You could add as many videos as you want to our pages, so I could just drag and drop more text. Maybe you want to add a comp plan video. So I could say this: see how you get paid. So now we're going to drag and drop in a comp plan video. So let's say you want to, this could be any business, any home-based business. I'm just grabbing this because it's easy. And then I just find any video here. I'm going to edit, and I'm going to drag and drop my video in here. Whoop. By copying and pasting, it's that easy. And then what you're going to want to do is you're definitely going to want to put your name and phone number on the page, because if somebody has a question, you're going to let them see your number right there. Again, you can change the color on the page. If we want the videos to pop out a little bit more too, we could darken up the opacity just a little bit. Everything pops out just a little bit better. And then what we want to do is you want to have your sign up button here. Now they watch 2 videos. They can call you if they want. Now, how do I sign up in your deal? Easy. Just grab a button, drag and drop a button, edit the button, say join now. All you're going to do here is type in your join page, whatever it is, whatever affiliate deal you're doing. Could be something from ClickBank as well. This is easy to do ClickBank stuff just as easy as a home-based business. Drop in your join now button or order now button. And let's say you want to add some social networking links so somebody can get a hold of you. So again, it's easy. Drag and drop them in. You drag and drop. And then if you want to add your Facebook, for example, www.facebook.com/username. And anyone you type in is going to show. So anything that you leave blank won't show, but anything you type in will show. And then you just can do that. And now you got your social link. So now let me put these pages together and show you how easy it is to put pages together. We give you links for everything. You can turn them into teeny URLs. I'm going to go back to my capture page. I'm going to edit it. Remember, I said anything you put here in redirect URL is where it's going to go. So I hit save. I hit save. Now watch this. Let's go see what happens. So you go advertise this awesome page on Facebook, on Twitter, Instagram, wherever, and Joe Tolley says I want some information. So Joe Tolley at gmail.com says show me. And by the way, we give you an unlimited autoresponder that you could hook up as well. And it's very easy to hook up an autoresponder here. They click the button and bam, they instantly can watch your video. They can watch your second video. They can instantly see your phone number. They can instantly connect with you on social networking. They can connect with you by hitting a button and go right to your site and join you. So we make it so easy to connect pages and literally do presentation pages, build an entire sales funnel in a few seconds. And again, you could have multiple upfront, capture pages that look super cool that get them here. Like you could use this page on Monday and a totally different page on Tuesday and a totally different page on Wednesday, have them all connected so the minute they fill in this form, they go right here. Now, what if you want to have a page, let's say this page is working really good for you and you want your entire team to have it. We can replicate that page very instantly. See this, what's called a share code? You just click that button. You have your team join you in the Conversion Pros, and then all they would do is click create a page, use share code. They would immediately type in that page, hit save, and then they could edit it. The page is already built for them, and all they have to do is edit the form and their link. It takes them 2 seconds, and you mass duplicated yourself. You can have every single person on your team using your pages just by giving them the share codes. Now, if you're in the NFL club, the No Friends Left club, and you don't know who to show this to, number one, we have marketing training. We teach you how to market online, tons and tons of training. But two, we have leads where you can actually order leads, and you can order a generic business opportunity, male and female, female only, male only, or our live interview leads. Our live interview leads have been interviewed, and you actually get the interviewer's name and the question the lead has answered, like Joe talked to Mary. Mary wants to make $4,000 a month. She has 20 hours a week to invest, and she has money to invest in the deal. So we actually do that. We are also adding traffic packages. So you'll be able to actually order home-based business traffic, people that are looking for a deal. You pay for traffic, and we'll send them right over to your capture page. That's also going to be in the back office of the system. So not only do we have leads, we're getting traffic packs as well. And there's a ton more tools we haven't even gone over. But if you're looking to build any business that has to do with making money, whether it's a ClickBank deal, a JBZoo deal, home-based business deal, we give you every single resource to pop up insane pages that get crazy results, give you an unlimited autoresponder included, and you get unlimited pages. Now here's the deal. You get all this stuff. We give you a 14-day free trial. We do not ask for a credit card. We do not ask for a payment information. So you can go ahead and hit the button and join free. It's not going to cost you anything, and we cannot charge you. You get full access of our system. We cannot charge you anything, okay? Because you do not give us any payment information. So there's no reason why you wouldn't check out this system when there's no downside and there's no cost to get involved, and you get all these crazy tools that you could play with and literally do a lot better in your business. We create top earners. It's what we do. We help people dominate their leaderboards, make more sales, get more signups. We've been doing this for over 5 years and we're very proven. So go ahead and grab the system right now at no cost, and you're going to love playing with it, and especially with all the resources we provide for you.